Mavita dit. Mère Aboupia.
Abonnez-vous massivement. Anita Mavita Show.
Ah ouais.
Abonnez-vous. Anita Mavita Show, abonnez-vous.
Ah, Babi, Anita Mavita Show, abonnez-vous massivement.
Sans oublier.
Babi, côté qu'on a neuf, c'est la conseil à bien. Il va le couper au son à vous.
Bon, à toi qui m'a la gâté, oui, Tinjil, il va au son.
Isayo. Ah ouais. Pour la base. Vraiment. Anita Mavita.
C'est vous excusez moi ceux qui nous ont dans la caméra or like bozoyoka like noise. It's me, okay? Anyways, vous excusez ceux qui n'ont pas pour la maquillage après na quelque chocolat and then the edge is kind of like ruined. But when I go out, I will fix it. Come and go look cute. Alright, but yeah. So little Mukolo Oyo is a surprise anniversary Anita. Anita Mavita, boss lady, you know. Mumbali na ye as Sally as a planned surprise birthday for na ye. So you buy video day, sorry, but yeah. But anyways, like Kendaki Kusumba bloku misusu pona fête. So we were ballon. Also the traffic. I don't think so. That's some people ballon. That's some people who put up a table. That's some centerpieces, some decoration. You know, look at Kitoko ça pour tout décorer ma table. Auntie Claudia, godmother Claudia, whatever you look for her, as an d'accord tout la préparation. Wow. Yeah, Anita zo last time that so like in a year, I believe as Aki Kolala, and yeah, I believe as Aki Kolala. I will get ready plus tard. Nazo me my restaurant moko boy. It was not restaurant, it's like cocktail bar lounge. So can I get baby med? But yeah, I'm going to some latozo in the lounge moko boy. I will make la baji belly ba cocktails. Claudia zo kutozo binganga. As over in video nanga as Elana no. Sorry. But yeah, yeah, she's calling me. That's my godmother. Mais Azela, sugar. Those are good on the traffic. Et belly. Oh my god, I can't even flip the camera. So can I like see no yeah? The traffic that I'm in, guys. Bully la nangai because yeah, I don't even know. But sorry guys. Videos with camera is not, you know. There's understand the local and the years that understand. Gonna understand people. I'm not a vlogger. Nasaka YouTube day. There's also celebrate. She can remember today. But yeah, tozo ngana zo keninda ku naku se maquiller naku lata après to kende Place Muku I booked. I booked this really nice place. I need to pay congestion charge. Yes. I need to put that in my reminder. But yeah, Toko Kende Kuna, and then after, I don't know, Kende hour because Nazana patience day, you know, I think I got traffic day. But yeah, so nako update bin on dingi journée na ngai Kende. Kona sisi kolat wana sisi kusimakie. Nako sara video msusu. Bona, you know, update you guys. And yeah, see you soon, guys.
Guess what? It's even my favorite color, red. Yeah. As I promised myself, I'm gonna give myself presents on my birthday day. So yeah, it's today. I prometted myself ngamuko na baki na kosomba parfait na ngai cadeau na ngai na ni pesi. Yango yo. O mutasombele ngati. Cadeau bino bo pesa ngai wana yande mususu me oyo nga na misombi na nga moko. Ba mbalele nga yango très bien kitoko po esalaka moi bien quoi. Oh, that looks nice. That's my present. Voila. Boende tolinga makasi.
Now watch my good clean auntie must say yes, goody. What, you look cute. That body's too much for you guys. Hi guys. So Patron shot.
Thank you.
Yeah, so at the count of 3, lick it, take a shot, and then you do your line, yeah?
Which one first?
Let's do Patron. Yeah? 1, 2, 3. favorite person, guys.
Mbote na bino nsu ba famille, j'espère que vous allez bien. En tout cas, sorry bolimbis na bato nsu botunga nita aujourd'hui ni video yango ko bima. Nazaki pena na courage ya osala yango te mais fa na li video yango yo. Awa tango bomoni bazali ko se préparer ba osala ba décoration wana kutunga ki diba na yebi na ngelo côté bozomo na décoration oyo mutasali yango mobali na ngai mo grossomi ya cause unité de mesure na mobali ya bato ya Claudia Kiaku veku la boss Claude Kiaku na ye moko Claudia Kiaku madame darling sister, my beautiful sister, bazalaki kusala makambo nyonso to oyo.
Balobi surprise simba surprise. Oyebaki te mais oyebaki as usual. De tour to betio lisusu match donc maintenant mikate quoi. Aussi to landi bilo nyonso bilo basuka donc na obetelo bilo basuka. Kalate ozomona. Now filmmaker.
Let's see the whole entire video. Give me a TikTok. Like if people drop from the ground, you get a video. That's fine. Like I'm wrong with it.
Birthday girl. It's your birthday. Oh, drunk video. Sanoki air ba okanga. Foron la a. Happy birthday to you. Anita, but who made boy penza? Now make up a long way.
No, she needs to go inside. I want her to open her gift and then we can go.
Yeah, please. I'm starving, man.
Talking they come, but I'm gift no phone and that you guys are done. They say I'm tired. I want to sleep.
No, I just want to see it, please. Thank you.
That junkie, they put something inside.
Yeah, solo.
Yeah.
The thing is short.
It's not.
Oh, Melissa short. You're bogonaye.
Not one shot. We drank.
So now it makes me tired.
Okay, let's just do quickly Oreo token.
What you?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
No one is gonna wait here. No one is gonna wait.
Thank you.
You're ready. You're ready. Welcome, Mavita. Déjà stara boboyo. Nada ngogo kugaidi. For Satin.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mavita. Mavita is saying.
Susu. Cadeau.
Movita show, Movita ici.
Oh, thank you so much.
Happy birthday to you.
My sister. Thank you.
You only do the money part.
Thank you.
You. She's on. What you saying? Tell them. Wait, what me call? Where's the microphone? What was yeah, now control it. 1, 2. My Vita show appearing. Don't shake it. Benito Banda. Uzo bana bise linge banda. Uzo bana bise linge banda. Anita Mavita linge banda. Anita Mavita linge banda. Allez, à vous la parole.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Anita Mavita, mère Anita.
After some nene amour.
Say something else.
We go to YouTube.
Get on a singer.
I don't even know where to start.
You don't know?
I don't know.
We got you again.
You know what?
Don't be so kitty.
No. I'm fine. We can hold in there. Anyway, for no quarter race. You know what?
Simba,
merci vraiment, merci. Bien c'est tout là. Now I never expect to take care live. Now I'm gonna be on to our. So what you go to place more boy like this girl, yeah, she make me drunk. They give me some. What was that again? Shots. Oh my God!
Tequila, yeah. Patron. Hey, Martini.
I was sleeping over there. I told her, like, let's go home. I'm tired. I want to sleep. She was like, let's go home quick. I got something for sleep.
Let's go to Auntie Claude.
I want to sleep. She was like, let's go home. Let's go get Auntie Claude. I said, I don't have time. Let's go home. I want to sleep. So she was like, no, let's go Enfield quick. I was like, I don't want to go. Let's go home. I want to sleep. I was so tired and like, I was like, what's this cases like this? So I forced on my class now. I didn't want to come here. Have you know took his own Auntie Claude talking that was like, I don't want to go, leave Auntie Claude alone, I'm tired. She was like, no, let's go. I said, I'm not going. I want to go home to sleep. But I was like, finally I'm here. And then, you know, I saw you guys, I'm so happy. Like, I don't even know what to say.
We just got you.
Then you go to something na loba nini la makasi ya kumona bino la you lied to me.
He did.
It's a surprise, isn't it?
Yeah, but you lied to me. You say you're going to la Mundele party. Even when I'm be mom, where you going? I say that man your only business. I'm going at Nabimina Yaya. He was like, Dad is going to Mundele party. I say, yeah, you go with them. I'm not coming with you guys. So why do you lie to me?
For the surprise.
It's a surprise, isn't it?
Anyway, never mind. Naza happy I'm gonna be on a sepeli. So yeah. Don't forget about that. Yeah. There's nothing much to say, man. Thank you so much. Merci na bino na sotu na ndenge boye esalinga bien. You know, bolongo linga na quit na ngesili. Kongi na
ngesili. To sala buzo
ba. Fete bandi kwa. Buzo ba na biso linge ba. To enjoy it all, yeah. So thank you so much.
Merci beaucoup de la table sur ma s'il vous plaît. Applaudissez pour vous-même. Thank you guys. Thank you for coming tonight. I'm so happy to see you again. So I always do that to her.
Second time we got her.
She's a beautiful lady. She always does to me.
Anita Mavita. Osakana na surprise hein. Star was a bella. Yes, you know Vangu. Anita Mavita.
Je salue en passant DJ Stéphanie.
Mobali na yeye. Ebi nze mo lo ko bolo oje. Jema. Balozo mo no vile. Kemo. Arrêtez les gars. Mad. Happy birthday. Yes, Mela. Ali Nora Songo. Il est déjà prêtre à l'équipe en Tina Oyemba. Thank you, boss. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to Anita. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip hooray! How old are you? How old are you now? Akoli kaka, akoli. Bomba. Akoli. Akoli fula. Wish. What's your wish? Agoma mdambongo. More money. Bongo ga. No more kids. Joy life. Fula kasi. Kata gato. Songi mundele sito leki kote wana happy birthday. Kata cake. In the cupboard. Yeah. Tous les cakes sont qui sont dans la zone.
They're covered in the kitchen.
Huh?
Okay. Yeah, remove the condoms. Show Yaya where to get the plates, the small plates.
Okay, let's dance.
Kids, you can eat your cake. Nikki.
Take your cake.
You don't miss it.
What plate?
Bon appétit, maman diamant bango yo. Bon appétit. Bon appétit, maman pasteur. Maman, bon appétit.
Hello. Mama diamant.
Maman diamant bango. Bon appétit. Voilà, moi c'est DJ, Aza DJ quoi. Ok. Voilà, Yolande ici.
Welcome.
We pull them over.
Bongo.
Oh, c'est là. Bah, mon mi va tomber qui a wa. Ah, wa ben des awa. Vivez aussi. Oh, c'est là. Vivez Westwood. Comment dit oyo? Westwood. Westwood. Ah, wa c'est là ta. Yango.
C'est où c'est
Disquared. Hey, ma solo et ma casse awa.
Bon, Disquared.
Ah, yango.
Kindogi.
Gucci. Hello, oh. Gucci. Abeti mobimba. Oh, ça
Gianfranco Ferre. Moschino. Louis Vuitton. Human. C'est ça la Viviane Westwood. Toujours. Toujours. Voilà, ça c'est. Dio. Mabongo para bino moko bolati kitoko. Mabongo para bino moko. Vedile bolati kitoko kwa. Bolati kitoko, very rich. And the the king. Bongo.
Julia, longa jeep cha. Oh, yo. Kota Jerry Milo,
Oye, qui n'a pas bouillé?
Jonathan.
En tout cas, tolati kitoko, mapangwa oyo baterrain na Kongo bomona tous les griffes eza yango. Biso tolata bangwanzo te, maya solo. Chine ya te, babawa sika kwa.
Happy birthday to you.
Gone.
More life, more prosperity, more good things. Let the heaven opens for you. Thank you for having us. We had a wonderful time, a great time. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sister. Love you. Auntie. Tell her Auntie fashion. Auntie, moi, happy birthday, ça va bien.
God bless you, I'll protect you. Another life, another year, amen. Many more celebrations. That's all I can say.
Amen. That is it.
Happy birthday. Manita, happy birthday, Kenny.
Thank you so much, Daddy. Thank you. Money badage abonné to look à la communauté. Papa abonné to look à la communauté. So money bon please go look benga bon baya.
Bless you, my sweet daddy.
Yeah.
Remember, say.
Jamais.
Sweet daddy.
Banuna te bakufa te.
Sugar daddy. Nga pena na participer vraiment na fête ya Anita Mavinga bana do
te Mavinga te Mavita
so mutu bena sala mage news bena ya mboka oyeke liboso eza yo moni wono ba Bobo s'abonner vraiment la page na ye. Abonnez-vous massivement pour Marino, Anita, Mavita.
Voilà.
S'abonnez-vous massivement.
C'est bon, s'abonnez-vous.
S'abonnez-vous, on est raté. En tout cas, je suis en Angleterre. Si vous avez des news, social, life, or whatever, culture, for all to come, all look up, no. Mavita kwa Anita ka yende makambo. Yana mutu musute na Angleterre oyo kozwa news.